Hello friend, good morning. This is Rajiv Sharma again with you, and I'm sharing my experience with you. And at my first video I was download with you. My first video was based on the nationalism in India, and my second video was based on the resource in development geography. These videos are very useful for the CBSE board and humanity students and for IAS exam. And I'm just releasing my stress day by day and during this downloading of my video and uploading my video. And today is the topic is I'm going to download and upload my third video, and this is based on the economics. Economics is a very good subject. As you know that the father of economics was Adam Smith. He was born in England, and Adam Smith was write a book, Wealth of Nations. In that book, he was described the importance of economics, and he became the father of modern economics. And today's the topic number one is in economics class 10th. It is development. Development in Hindi it is vikas. So generally misconfusion is here, so many misconfusion that first you clear what is the difference between development and progress. विकास और उन्नति, विकास और तरक्की, इनके बीच क्या अंतर है? अगर आपको विकास और उन्नति के बीच का अंतर, विकास और प्रगति के बीच का अंतर समझ में आ जाए तो आपको ये लेसन चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. तो आइए दोस्तों जानते हैं कि किस तरह से डेवलपमेंट और प्रोग्रेस दोनों ही वर्ड बिल्कुल अलग अलग हैं. दिस इज सो डेवलपमेंट, it is English grammar, it is a noun, and Hindi it is known as vikas. So development is a process to become more and more powerful, become more and more powerful and strong and more powerful. So development is a stage of progress. And what is progress? Progress means towards achieving something, or to become better. So I'm going to explain these two words. Progress is an earlier stage, and it is early stage when we start to do something better, when we just try to become, try to do the better things in our life, then it is progress. And on the second stage, when we doing better things, on the second stage we just enter and we start to become more powerful. Now India is not focused on the progress. India has crossed the stage of progress. Now India is moving for development. And मोदी जी ने विकास का नारा दिया हिंदी, और पिछले लोकसभा इलेक्शन में मोदी जी डेवलपमेंट का एक स्लोगन, मोदी जी रेज्ड एंड डेवलपमेंट स्लोगन इन द लास्ट लोकसभा इलेक्शन, and people vote in the favor of Modi ji and BJP party, political party. It means it's very clear that Indians and people of India want development. Now in very easily I will explain this the topic. You listen very carefully, you listen without stress, you listen with interest like a story you can understand. So the story of Indian development is started from British rule in India. Here we are talking developments means economic development, means financial development. So story of Indian economic development divided into two part. In the first part, the British India, when India was ruled by Britishers, and the second stage, independent India, when India become independent and start the effort and the process of development on his behalf, their behalf. And so at first I'm talking to British India. British Indian rule in India started from 1757, from the Battle of Plassey, until it was continued till the 15 August 1947, when India became independent from the British rule. And so this period known as British ruling period in India, during Britishers were not actually social worker. They are searching the financial resources, natural resources as a raw material for their industries in Asia and Africa continent. And in Asia, India and other countries dominated by the Britishers. So during British rule, Britishers start some innovative steps for their economic development. They introduce the railway, and they introduce in the post and telegraph system. They systematically introduce the shipping industry. The systematic introduce the cotton industry. Cotton industry they also introduced. Do you know that the first cotton mill was established in Mumbai? And they were just using, they introducing the new technology and the new all these innovative things for their economic development. So British India indirectly going to develop by the British effort. They are not actually want to development of Indian, they are just going to create a network and infrastructure facilities to borrow the Indian raw material on the port, and to they just export the Indian raw material to England for the British industries. In Lancashire, Yorkshire, Manchester, these cities are becoming the industrial hub. And industrial after industrial revolution in England, these cities become very important. Now I'm talking about the Indian economic development. Indian economic development started after independent, after 15 August 1947. Jawaharlal Nehru became the Prime Minister of India, and he tried maximum effort for the to set up the large scale industries in India. And the milestone step in this direction was the establishment of the Planning Commission on 15 March 1950. योजना आयोग की स्थापना एक मील का पत्थर मानी जाती है 15 मार्च 1950 को. What is the role of Planning Commission? Planning Commission is just estimate the natural resources of India and prepare plan for the economic development of India. And Planning Commission is ex officio chairman of Planning Commission is Indian Prime Minister, and its head office situated in New Delhi, Yojana Bhavan. And when Modi ji became the Prime Minister of India, he changed the name of the Planning Commission. Now the new name of Planning Commission given by Honorable Modi ji is Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog means National Institute for Transforming India. National Institute for Transforming India. And Planning Commission is not a there is no reference in constitution. It is an unconstitutional body, but it was like an experiment, but is that going to still continue by the Indian government. Second important organization is Finance Commission. Finance Commission was set up in 1951, and 1951 its tenure 5 year. The main the main motive of the Finance Commission is to create the financial plan and give the presented the financial report. And the first chairman of Finance Commission was K.C. Niyogi. And after that now different finance commission as working. And after, if we talk about the economic development of India, so Prime Minister J.L. Nehru introduced so many innovative policies, and the economic development was the part of Indian foreign policy during J.L. Nehru period, when he was the Prime Minister of India. And all the Prime Ministers just continue this policy, and the big transformation reflecting in India after 1991. And very important thing that for the history student, the student of CBSE board 10th or 12th classes, that 10th 11th 12th classes, that one chapter the lesson are same in two subjects. Well, like you can take the one lesson is in history 10th class is globalization, rise of a global world. making of a global world. And economics, one chapter is development, first chapter, and another chapter, fourth chapter in economics, CBSE board, it is the globalization and liberalization in Indian economy in India. So if you read one chapter very clearly, efficiently, then you can make very good command on other chapter naturally. So this is and the milestone important phase of Indian economic development started from 1991 when India signed on the Great Agreement. An economic liberalization and globalization program started in India. So this is and what is very important topic for you, the economic development. What is liberalization? Liberalization policy started in India from 1991 when Indian Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao, Pamulapati Venkat Narasimha Rao signed signature on the GATT agreement. What is liberalization? It's very important on the economics chapter 4. Economics चैप्टर 4, दिस इज लिबरलाइजेशन. लिबरलाइजेशन मीन्स हिंदी में कहते हैं उदारीकरण. लिबरलाइजेशन इज ए पॉलिसी where the government adopt the policy to remove the trade barriers. In the trade barriers mean removal of import duties. So it was from my side the presentation for you and for on the development. So you can very easily understand what is development and what is progress. Progress is the earlier stage when we start to do something better. When we cross that stage, when we enter in the second stage, that is known as development. Now India is not going to making focus on the progress. India is now making focus on the development, because after crossing the stage of progress, India is moving as a superpower, is to becoming superpower in the world after USA, after China, and after other countries. Thank you so much. I'm talking to you. I will meet you again. And thanks my video world and on YouTube. You can watch me. You can like me. You also like me, because if you are really my well wisher, you will like me. And just I expect from you. And you can meet me on the first on YouTube. First is Rajiv Sharma's classes for humanity and SST, and second group you can meet me on the YouTube Rajiv Sharma World of Knowledge for exploration. Thank you so much. Thank you.